Starting in fall 2025, core abilities outcomes are shifting to a new 4-point proficiency scale. Previously, outcomes were evaluated using 3 levels, 2, 1, or 0. Now we're adding a 4th level, did not complete assessment or criteria not assessed. This will be scored as a 0. Because of this change, any rubrics created before fall 2025 that include core ability outcomes must be updated. The updated proficiency scale will display as 3, 2, 1, 0, with the proficient rating now 3 points. Once a rubric with an outcome has been used to score a student, the outcome cannot be removed. So it's essential to complete this process before any grading has taken place.
Here's how to make sure your rubrics are updated correctly. To begin, navigate to the assignment that includes a rubric with core ability outcomes, or go directly to the rubrics page from your course navigation.
If you are not sure which rubrics are aligned with core ability outcomes, navigate to the Outcomes page from the course navigation. The Alignments page lets you view which assignments and rubrics have attached outcomes.
On the Outcomes page, click on the Alignments tab. Click the arrow to expand an outcome. You will see a list of assignments and rubrics that have the outcome attached. The icon designates an assignment or rubric. Click the link to open the assignment or rubric directly. If you are changing the rubric attached to an assignment, click the Edit icon. If you are changing the rubric directly, click the Edit Rubric button. Changes only need to be made to the rubric or assignment, not both. Review the rubric. Any core ability outcomes will display with a small target icon next to the criterion description. Make a note of which outcomes are on the rubric, as they will need to be removed. In this example, we are using the 4 outcomes from Communicates Effectively. Click the trash can icon next to each of these outcomes to remove them from the rubric. This clears the way to add the updated versions. Once the old outcomes have been removed, we can add the updated outcomes directly. Scroll to the bottom of the rubric and click Find Outcome. Select the first outcome you want to add back to the rubric. Uncheck the box labeled Use this criterion for scoring if you want the outcome to be reported only, not scored. Then, click Import. You will notice the new proficiency of Did not complete assessment criteria not assessed added with 0 points, and the proficient rating now has 3 points. Repeat this process for each core ability outcome that was removed from the rubric. Finally, click the Update Rubric button to save your changes. Repeat the process of removing and adding outcomes for the remaining rubrics in the course. This process will need to be completed in each course that was imported or created before fall 2025.
If you have questions about making this change to your rubrics, contact edtech@cvtc.edu.